Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to adjust line and paragraph spacing in your Microsoft Word document. So in order to do that, I'm going to click on Design tab in the ribbon, and after clicking on the Design tab, you'll find an option called Paragraph Spacing on the right hand side, and click on it, and you will see a lot of different custom setting, different built-in setting here. So the default, if you hover over the default, it shows the paragraph and line spacing specific number. So before and after means before and after paragraph, so before 0 pt and after 8 pt, so that is the default here. And then line spacing 1.16, so that means between two lines the space is 1.16. So the first two, before and after, that is basically about the paragraph spacing. So there are other built-in design for this. So this shows that there's no space between the paragraphs, because it shows after 0 pt and before 0 pt, but there is line spacing is single because it says 1. Okay, so this is no paragraph space. And then there are many other options here. And if you hover over the double, it says that the double is before 0.0 pt, after 8 pt. Okay, so there is a space between the paragraph, and that is 8. But for the line, it is double, which is 2. So if you click on it, so you'll find it's double spacing. And look at this paragraph. So it says this before the start of this paragraph, it is 0. But since after the end of this paragraph, it is 8 point. That's why you see the space here. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to paragraph spacing again, and we selected double, but you can go back to default again. You can go back to default again by this way. But at the end of these options, you'll see custom paragraph spacing, where you can customize the configuration of paragraph and line spacing. So click on it, and there appears a dialog box, and mainly you will be working on paragraph spacing and line spacing options here. So in terms of the paragraph spacing, now currently it is 0 point before and after 8 point. Okay, so you can reduce it, or you can increase it, reduce it, whatever you want. So I'm gonna say it's gonna be 0 point for this purpose. And line spacing, instead of multiple, I'm gonna take it 1. So that would be like 1 pt for this purpose, for this demonstration. And click OK. And remember, this applies to so this removes the space between the paragraph, as you can see here, right? So this is the space between this. There's no space between the paragraph. So I'm gonna change this, and I need some space here. Okay, so that would be 12, let's say, and click OK. Now you see that there is a space between two paragraphs, right? So, and remember, this applies to the whole document of for the whole document, not to a specific section, right? So now what I'm gonna show you is to do it for a specific section. Let's say I'm gonna change this section in particular. So I will go to home, and then you will find an option called line and paragraph spacing. Click on it, and this is the line spacing. You can take it and make it 2 or double spacing. Okay, so now it is a double space. But also there's an option called line spacing options. Click on it, and the exact dialog box appears. Okay, and similar to what I showed you before, in terms of the whole document, you can change this configuration. You can write it instead of 12, you can write it 8 here. Instead of double, you can make it single or 1.5, whatever you like. And then this is how you customize it, and then click OK. And this applies to the selected portion of your document. Click OK. And this is how you change or adjust paragraph and line spacing in this specific section, and not the whole document. In this tutorial, you have learned how to change or adjust paragraph and line spacing in Microsoft Word document, both in terms of the whole document and a specific selected section of your document. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel.